Our Easy Wood Tools lathe turning tools make turning safer, easier, better, and more fun. All our turning tools are handmade with our commitment to quality and are equipped with replaceable, one-of-a-kind carbide cutters that we also manufacture ourselves specifically for our tools. Our micro, mini, mid, and full-size standard tools are color-coded by type, so you can change tools quickly by sight. Choosing the right size tools all depends on what types of projects you would like to create. We have you covered from small, intricate work such as pens, finials, ornamental work, all the way up to large bowls, vases, platters, unique items, and everything in between. Our turning tools range from Easy Start and Micro all the way up to our Pro line. Our micro tools feature a stainless steel toolbar, copper ferrule, and an American maple handle. They use our smallest size carbide cutters, which makes them perfect for small projects such as pens, finials, ornamental objects, and intricate close-up work. Our Easy Start tools are a great place to start if you are new to turning and want to turn with a quality carbide cutter tool. They have a black oxide toolbar, steel ferrule, maple handle, and are economically ideal for beginners.